Experience and stories are two of the most powerful learning formats that we know. People learn from experiences and people remember stories forever. This is a series of videos called X Stories, Experience Stories, and this story is called The Joining Day. About 20 years ago, I finished my MBA and I got a campus placement in a company called ANZ Greenlace. In those days, it was one of the big MNC banks in India, and this was like a dream job for all of us to get. On joining date, we finished our formalities, the joining formalities, and I was called by my manager, my boss, and he welcomed me to his team. And after that, he said, "Kamlesh, here is a set of visiting cards kept inside a drawer. Can you just sort them and bring them back to me?" So this was like a drawer which had about 500 visiting cards, and the job that I was given, this was like my first job that I was given, was to sort these visiting cards. Now imagine, I am a chartered accountant, an MBA, a gold medalist, and this was my dream job. And on day one, this is what I am asked to do. I did that job, whatever is required, and a few other things that the boss told me on that day. I went back home in the evening and I decided that I'm not going to go back to office. A couple of days I did not go to office, and my boss called me on the landline a few days later and he said, "Kamlesh, you're not reporting to work, what happened?" And I said, "Sir, there's a small disappointment, or there's a small disconnect." And then he said, "Kamlesh, maybe we can talk about it, so let's just come to office on Monday and we'll discuss." So I went the next day to office and my boss asked me what was the issue. So I said, "Sir, I thought I did my MBA, I did my CA, I was a star performer, and I thought I would do something great on day one, but when you asked me to sort visiting cards, I was not sure if I'm in the right place." And then my boss gave me a fantastic lesson, that is the lesson for my life that I have been having for the last 20 years. And he said that, "Kamlesh, your aptitude has got you inside this office building. Your attitude will get you inside this office cabin." This was the lesson that he gave me 20 years ago. He said that no matter what your degrees were, 86%, 89%, 98%, does not matter. What you do here going forward matters. And then he said something even more interesting in his Bengali accent. He said, "Baba, koi kaam chota nahi hota hai, aur koi chota kaam karne wala chota nahi hota hai." That was the learning that I got from him on day one. This was my joining day lesson. Right now, a lot of you guys, especially people who are graduating right now from campuses and hoping to get a job, are going through a lot of problems. I know that. You will probably not get your dream job. But my advice to you will be very simple. Whatever you get right now, make the most of it. Learn as much as you can. What you learn from these experiences will be more valuable than your degrees. And remember this, whatever you get right now, do it with excellence. It's extremely important for all of us to understand this. कोई काम छोटा नहीं होता है, कोई छोटा काम करने वाला छोटा नहीं होता है. चाय बेचने वाला is the Prime Minister of this country. This was the learning that I got on day one of my joining day. Hopefully, this was a bit of advice that you guys can take. I'll come back again with some other new stories from X Stories. See you again. Thank you.